Let's make a loaded baked potato soup. Come on in, welcome to my home. This is a really fun soup. I love this soup because it's so easy to make and it tastes so good. And you can make your own ingredients, or you can then, just get them prepared. I today was in a big rush, so I got most of my stuff prepared. All the ingredients are listed down below. Don't forget, if this is your first time here, remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and also ring that bell so that way you get notifications when I do new videos. All right, let's get started. This soup is so easy to make. I'm using shredded hash browns. You don't have to use the shredded, but I actually liked it, so I'm going to put that all in my slow cooker. Once that's in, I'm going to add my cream of chicken soup. Yeah, I didn't know that that was a thing until recently. If you want to learn how to make your own cream of chicken soup, I did not make this, but I do know how to make it. Let me know down in the comments. Then I'm going to add my chicken broth. These are my bacon bits. This is only half the amount of bacon bits, that's why it says divide it. Cheddar cheese. Now this is to your taste. Add as much salt and pepper as you want. Put the lid on this, set it on low, and let it go for about, I'd say, at least 2 to 3 hours, or until you are ready to, until you are an hour before you're ready to eat. When we come back at that hour before, we have one more step to take. All right, it is an hour before I'm ready to eat. The potatoes are pretty well done. I'm going to give this a nice stir. I have been stirring it all along. Now I'm going to add our cream cheese. I've cut this into cubes. You just don't want it in a big block. We're going to stir this in, and then about every 15 minutes, I'm going to come back and give it another stir. All right, it has been an hour. I've been stirring this about every 15 minutes, just to make sure it stirs just wonderfully. Now I'm going to add it to our bowl, and we'll taste it. All right, let's give this a taste. That is incredible. It really does taste like a baked potato, loaded baked potato. It is so good. I am amazed at how good this is. This is a hearty treat. It'd be good at any time of the year, but wow, that is amazing. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home, and I hope we get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.